I recreated every single set from Squid Game in real life. And whichever one of these 456 people survives the longest wins 456 grand.
The first game we're gonna play is red light, green light, and they have 30 minutes to cross the red line on the other side of the huge room.
So without further ado, green light. Red light. Oh. And as you can see, every single player has a device strapped to them that when they're eliminated, it pops. Chris, you wanna have a chance at one?
Red light.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh no! I know for sure this guy moved. Green light. Red light. Oh, yo, they're dropping. Okay, now some people are getting out.
You gotta get a better spot for the next red light, right? Mm-hmm. You're fine.
30 people have gotten out so far. If they move right now, they're out. They have to hold this position until we say green light. And I can take all the time I want because we still have 23 minutes left.
We should get a green light going. This guy's doing a full squat.
Green light. Green light. Oh, they all stopped. Red light.
Oh, I called it! I called it!
Oh no. Push my glasses up.
Okay.
Do it slowly though. Be careful. Okay.
Are you good?
Perfect. Yeah, perfect.
Okay. Green light. Red light. Oh, you're still moving.
She was jogging over here.
We're gonna go see who's in the very back. You are in dead last. What's going on?
I'll let the others clear the path for me.
You literally haven't even moved.
A couple steps.
We'll see if it pans out. Green light. Yellow. Red light. Oh, that, we got her. The yellow light worked.
Oh, that was diabolical to throw a yellow light out there.
Since 067 was a big part of the show, I'll let you say green light.
Green light.
Red light. Yo, it'd be funny if she just got out. As you can see, over 100 people have been eliminated. Do the honors, Chandler.
Green light. Red light.
Oh, that was a loud one.
There it is. Hey.
Green light. Red light. Look how close they are to the finish line. It is do or die for most of these people. Everyone look up at the TV. You have 4 minutes and 20 seconds left.
Yeah, that's the number.
Green light. Red light. We have our first 2 finishers over here.
Let's go!
Green light. Red light.
Sir, baby. Yes, sir, baby.
All right, we have 5 people across the finish line now.
You're all kind of screwed if you don't run faster.
Yeah, you're right.
Green light. Red light.
Only 2 minutes remain.
Tomorrow makes me way too nervous.
Green light. Red light. We have under 1 minute remaining. Time's ticking. Green light.